We are going to make an alcohol ink tumbler with marabou inks, resin rockers, tired pigment flakes, and thickwood, which is a liquid pigment paste. We're going to mix that all together with the perfect finish, and then we're going to put that down on our tumbler. We're adding the cherry red alcohol ink with the metallic silver. Now we're going to add a little bit more thickwood to some more perfect finish epoxy resin with frosty glitter. This is such a cute tumbler, you guys. Wait till you see the end result. We're going to drizzle that over it, and then we're going to take our heat fan. You can use a heat gun, you can use a torch, you can use a heat fan like I'm using. You're going to warm up that epoxy and get it moving. And once you realize it's moving really, really well, it's got a nice flow to it, just keep moving it up and down, up and down. Throw it back on that turner and look at the end result. It's absolutely gorgeous.